Jai Gurudev children. It is your first class of information technology of this session. As you have already learned about the information technology in 9th standard, there was two parts A and B like the same. In 10th standard also, A and B two parts are there in your book. Part A, employability skill, and part B is subject skill. Today, I'm going to start part B, word processor. Due to the pandemic situation, there is little bit changes in your syllabus. This you can see by accessing the link of cbseacademic.nic.in. There you can see your curriculum. But don't worry, all the topics are covered in your book. So whichever topic is given in your syllabus, the selected topic I'm going to teach you. Our first topic is managing style. Style, first of all, what is style? Definition. It is a predefined combination of font, style, color, and size of text that can be applied to selected text. It allows to quickly improve the appearance of your document. It gives your document a more sophisticated and professional look. This is the definition part. In exam, it may ask that what is style. Now, in this topic, we are going to cover selecting a style, applying style set, modifying a style, creating a new style. So let us see practically how can we do. Here it is. I have started Word, and if any paragraph is there, so how to apply style, how to select style first. So just you see, very important is to learn in which tab style is there and in which group. So you can see here home tab and style group, that style options are there. These all are the different styles which we can access by going through the home tab and style group. This is the name of group. There are many groups and style option is available on styles group. So from here, by selecting this, we can select any of the style like normal, no space, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Many style options are given here. Whichever you like, you can select from here. I'm selecting this heading 1. So this way you can select style and you can apply also. Here also the option given apply styles. If you want to, if you know the name of style and if you want to apply, then directly you can go here, apply style, and here you can select the name, whichever style you want to apply, and you can apply from here. So like this. And again, if you want to modify something, so click on the modify button, and here is the all the properties related to that particular style is given. That name of this style is heading. Formatting, in this option here you can see the font type of font is given, Calibri 13 is the size, and color is also given. So if you want to change it, so you can select like I'm selecting Arial and size 16, color, any of the color, and OK. So it will get changed. It will be modified. Again, if you want to see the name of different styles, so you can click here, and here all the names are available. So from here also you can access. Again, the next one is if we want to create our own style. So here it is the option. Again, it is very important to see in which tab and which group it is available. Home tab, style group. By going through that, we can create a new style. Create a style. Now here it is asking name. Whatever name you want to give, I'm giving my style. Modify. Now name is visible here. Style type you can select according to your choice. Formatting, here I'm selecting Algerian, size 20. Bold, and color, any color I'm giving to my style. Then press OK. When you press OK, you see the style will get changed. And also here in this group, whatever style you have created, new style, it will be visible here. So by selecting this also, you can change your style. So this was about style. Now our next topic is, we have covered all this: selecting, applying, modifying, creating a new style. Next one, insert graphical object and illustration. Means inserting clip art and inserting a picture. Now see how to insert a picture first. For inserting picture, you know very well, it is insert tab and picture option. And you see in which group it is available. It is illustrations. You need to remember. You know the process how to insert the picture by clicking on insert and picture. But you need to remember about the group name also. So it is under illustration group. So we need to click on insert picture. Now two options are available: this device, online picture. So I'm clicking on this device. So in my device, whatever pictures are available, it is visible. I can select any one and press on insert. So the picture will get inserted on my page. Now, as you insert any of the picture, a new tab or new menu will appear here. That is format. This is very important question. Whenever you select any of the picture, which menu will get appear in the menu bar? So answer is format. So by clicking on format, we can change the picture styles. Okay, like I'm selecting this one. Now I can change border also. Can give any of the border. Weight of the border also I can increase or decrease by clicking here. So here, so you see like this. Picture effect, I can give any of the effect to my picture, like I'm selecting glow. So you can see glow is properly visible around my picture. So there are multiple options related to picture, what we can modify. So accordingly, we need to select option from here and we can modify. And now the next is how to insert clip art. In my system, it is Office 15. So it is a updated one here, like traditional clip art option is not available. What you can see in another Office version, here it is icon and 3D model. but the process of inserting clip art is the same. Like I'm inserting here icons and 3D model. Let us see first icons. So it is loading the icon. Now see here in the navigation pane, all kinds of options are available. I'm selecting technology and electronics related to our field. So here you see multiple pictures are available. We can select any of the picture. Like I'm selecting this one, Bluetooth. So Bluetooth will get inserted here. Again, you can see the format menu is available, and we can select graphic feel for this. Outline also we can give for our picture. Effects also, whatever effect like reflection. If I want to give reflection, so you see here my picture is getting reflected here. So whichever option is comfortable, suitable for your requirement, you can select accordingly and you can add. Again, I'm showing 3D model. This both are like clip art. So here online 3D models, multiple models are available. Whichever you like robot. I'm selecting robot, and it is taking little time. Now whichever we like drone camera is here. I'm inserting this one and it will get inserted in my file. It's taking little bit time because online we have taken and it is a 3D model. So it will get inserted, and after that again the format menu will be here, and by clicking on format menu we can edit the picture as we like. So it is here now. See, my drone is here now, and format menu is will get activated as soon as we insert the picture. And here it is showing the different position for this camera. Okay, so here also the options are available according to your requirement. So this 3 topic we have covered today: style, inserting graphics, picture, style, definition of style,